Hello and welcome. I'm now inside of the cloud-based service video flow. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to click on this button that says create a video so we can take a look at the interface. So one of the things I can do is I can decide the aspect ratio of the video. For example, if I'm going to be using the widescreen, which is typically what we're going to be using, if we're going to be using desktop videos, you can also do square as well as rectangular for mobile devices. Now, assuming what I'm going to be doing is working with my PLR video, I'm going to click on this blank canvas. I'm going to click regular. Now I can start by uploading the video from my personal computer, although what I can also do is I can also create video in some other ways. I can use images from my computer. I can also do screen recording with the recording plugin. And what I do is I add in the plugin to Chrome. Once I log back into the program through that plugin, I'll then be able to use the screen recording, camera recording, or the screen and camera recording. I can do an audio overlay to the video once I get it into cloud-based service. I can then overlay the video with my own text. I can overlay with certain shapes, and I can overload with emojis. And once I have the video inside of here, I can go through an editing process in this interface. Now again, one of the neat things I can do here is I can record my audio overlay, and I can also do text-to-speech here inside of this element. So in all, this is a nice little tool for you to add some extras to your PLR video, and you can do it by not having to have software on your personal computer. Of course, you can do all of this in the cloud-based platform. Now, there are bonuses available. They are going to be delivered inside of the actual members area. To get your copy, all you got to do is hit this continue button. That'll take you to the sales page. You'll get access to the bonuses as well as the video tool. Thanks and have a great day.